So somatic work is super important because no matter what we experience in our life, like our body keeps the score. So any traumatic event that you experience, your body holds the score for it. Or even, like even if you're stressed and you clench your jaw or you raise your shoulders all the time and then you have back pain. So somatic work is about becoming aware of the sensations in your physical body and just with awareness sit through it, even breathe through it, and let those emotions pass, because emotions are motions, so they have to pass through the body. And that's a beautiful thing about somatic work, to I think clear stuck energy in the body.